Hello dear students, a very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to discuss with you the last one topic in this chapter, which is causes of depletion of water table. Okay, so you know that groundwater is an essential source of fresh water for us, and this is because it is constantly get recharged by rainwater. Now if we take maximum use of groundwater and there is no rainfall or less rainfall, means we use more water than the replenished, so the water table will go down. Okay, so the main causes of depletion of water table is, first one is increasing population. So you know that India is a very vast country and rate of population increasing day by day. So increasing population creates demand for construction, houses, shops, roads. So this decreases the open areas like parks and playgrounds, means no space for seepage of rainwater. So this is turn decrease of the seepage of rainwater into the ground. Now the next one is increasing industries. So you know that water is used by all in industries. Almost everything that we used need water. Somewhere in its production process, the number of industries is increasing continuously, and water used by most of the industries is drawn from the ground. And you know the huge amount of water is required for construction work, and ground water is used for this purpose. So on the one hand we are consuming more groundwater, and on the other we are allowing lesser water to seep in the ground, so this result in depletion of water table. Next one is increasing agriculture. So farmers are use groundwater for irrigation. Irrigation means watering on the crops, is important part of agriculture. And now in villages farmers mostly depend upon the rainfall for irrigation, but sometime if lesser amount of rainfall, then the groundwater is utilized for the irrigation purposes. The next one is deforestation, and deforestation is one of the main causes of depletion of water table. uh, Deforestation reduces the forest area, which allow water to flow into large water bodies, and you know seepage become lesser, and thus the replenishment is insufficient. So depletion of water table results in drying up of wells, reduction of water in streams and lakes. So we know that water is the source of life for all living beings, and we should conserve water. Conservation of water is very important. So we should follow some ways for the conservation of water. The first one is good methods of irrigation which use less water should be used, like drip irrigation. In this method, water field is supplied drop by drop instead of filling the whole field with water, which is a total wastage of water. Drip irrigation is one of the most important and very effective method for conservation of water. The next one is cutting down of forest or deforestation should be checked to maintain water cycle. And we should store the rainwater for the future purposes. And in fact, we should store rainwater through the method of rainwater harvesting. And sewage and waste from industry should be treated in wastewater treatment plants before releasing them in water bodies. In this way water bodies will not get polluted. So these all the very effective method for the conservation of water.